Jackfruit farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained. Jackfruit is a delicious fruit full of nutrients. Jackfruit is a great source of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and energy. It starts yielding within 3 to 5 years of planting and can yield for a long time. Jackfruit cultivation is profitable and important to the country's food and economy. Raw jackfruit is used to make curries, stews, and fries. Ripe jackfruit is eaten directly, and various desserts are made. Jackfruit seeds are eaten fried, boiled, or as curry. Jackfruit trees play a role in animal feed, fuel wood, and protecting the environment. Dear viewers, today we will learn how to make a profit by cultivating jackfruit quickly and discuss the different steps and techniques of jackfruit cultivation. First, a suitable environment must be created for jackfruit cultivation. To get good yields in jackfruit cultivation, choosing the right soil is very important. If the soil is not suitable, the growth of the plant may be hampered, and the yield may decrease. Slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH value of 5.5 to 7.5 is suitable. The garden should be planted in a place that gets enough sun. 10 to 12 inches of the top of the soil should be kept aside. Some dry leaves or straw should be placed at the bottom of the hole, which will maintain the fertility of the soil. The size of the hole should be 3 feet long, 3 feet wide, and 3 feet deep. The fertilizer should be mixed well with the soil and kept open for 10 to 15 days so that the gas can escape. The soil should be crumbly and soft. The soil should be raised in places where excess water can accumulate. June to August is the best time to plant seedlings during the rainy season. After planting the seedlings, tamp the soil and straighten it. Water lightly for the first 3 to 4 days after planting the seedlings. Keep the weeds around the trees clean. The distance from one tree to another should be 8 to 10 meters. During summer, irrigation is necessary every 15 to 20 days to maintain soil moisture. Spray copper oxychloride every 10 to 15 days. Jackfruit matures within 90 to 150 days of flowering. The peel of a ripe jackfruit has a slightly yellow color and makes a hollow sound when tapped with the hand. The color of the peel changes from green to slightly yellowish. After cutting, the cut part of the fruit oozes out, so it is better to place a leaf or plastic under it. A sharp knife should be used to cut the fruit. After harvesting the fruit, it is better to keep it in a shaded place and ripen it. For commercial preservation, jackfruit can be dried or preserved using preservation methods. Jackfruit can be kept at room temperature for 2 to 3 days.